Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Botim account in Windows. Let's start. First, open your browser. Then go to botim.me. After that, click on Mac or PC. If your system is macOS, click on Here. Or if your system is Linux, click on this link. Otherwise, select Download Windows version. Select Save File. After that, open the file. In this step, open the Botim on your phone. Click the plus button in the upper right corner. Then choose Scan QR code. After that, point your phone to this screen to capture the code. Botim is the most popular of internet calling apps in the UAE, which allows users to make HD video and voice calls worldwide. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you soon in the next video.